The northern lights, or Aurora Borealis, have long fascinated humans with their mesmerizing display of colors. But beneath this beautiful curtain of light lies a complex interplay of physics and atmospheric phenomena. Until now, much of its intricacy was hidden from us. Thanks to the advancements in hyperspectral imaging, we are now able to see the Aurora Borealis in ways never before possible. Hyperspectral cameras capture images across a wide range of the electromagnetic spectrum. Unlike traditional cameras that capture images in red, green, and blue, hyperspectral cameras can see hundreds of wavelengths. This capability allows scientists to observe the auroras with unprecedented detail. By breaking down the light emitted by the auroras into its component wavelengths, researchers can analyze the chemical composition, temperature, and density of the atmosphere at various altitudes. This granular detail opens up new pathways for understanding the physical processes behind the northern lights. The northern lights are primarily caused by charged particles from the sun interacting with the Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere. During solar storms, massive ejections of solar wind and magnetic fields, known as coronal mass ejections, reach Earth. When these charged particles collide with gases in our atmosphere, they excite the gases, causing them to emit light. This is the light show we see as the aurora. Hyperspectral imaging allows scientists to track these interactions in detail. Different gases emit different colors when excited by solar particles. Oxygen, for instance, is responsible for the green and red hues, while nitrogen gives off blue and purple shades. Hyperspectral data can pinpoint the specific wavelengths of light being emitted, revealing which elements are present and at what altitudes they are interacting. This hyperspectral data exposes subtle variations in color and intensity that are invisible to the naked eye. Scientists can now observe patterns and movements within the auroras that were previously impossible to detect. These details can help researchers understand how solar energy is distributed in the Earth's upper atmosphere. With hyperspectral imaging, we're not just observing the aurora's beauty, we're decoding the physics of our planet's atmospheric dynamics. This technology gives us insights into the Earth's magnetosphere and how it responds to solar storms, which has implications for everything from satellite communications to power grid management. Understanding the mechanisms behind the aurora is crucial for predicting space weather. Solar storms can disrupt satellite operations, navigation systems, and power grids on Earth. By studying the auroras, scientists can develop models to predict these events and mitigate their impacts. Beyond its scientific significance, the Northern Lights have cultural and historical importance to many indigenous communities across the Arctic. The ability to study the aurora in such detail deepens our appreciation for these natural wonders and the stories they have inspired for generations. While hyperspectral cameras help unravel the mysteries of the auroras, they also enhance our ability to predict and respond to space weather, protecting our technology-dependent world. As we continue to explore and understand this breathtaking phenomenon, we gain a greater appreciation for the delicate balance of forces that govern our planet. If you're captivated by the dance of the Northern Lights, consider diving deeper into the science that makes this spectacle possible. The more we understand, the more we can preserve and protect the wonders of our world. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep exploring.